If you are headache how to do the heavy job with your bakery shop, no worry, we will have our 80-liter food mixer for you. It is a superstar, can mixing with 30 kg flour in the bowl. This big guy with the fiberglass cover and iron steel body and this very strong steel leg with the wood feet. When it is working, it is very stable and durable. So this is the bell with the bell driven and strong power. Machine can working mixing with the 13 kg flour just finished in 15 minutes. All the food touching parts we choose the food grade stainless steel, such as the cover, the whisk and the bowl. All are made by 201 stainless steel. It is very healthy for human. How to make the move for this big bowl? We are moving by the electric. Here in the control pedal, we'll have the up and the down button for you to move the bowl automatically. Also, we will come by a trolley. You can take out very easily and move very easily. For this machine, it is same as all the Planetary mixer. It will have 3 types of the accessory for it. One is the whisk, also with the beater and the hook. You can do the different type of the mixing job with this such a big guys. Come with the control pedal. It is very easy operation. With the different type of the button to control the bowl lift up and down and changing the speed with the handle and the button. Also, it will have a timer, so it can do a very good job for you in your own kitchen.